anything and so on. But I think I end up doing that
So
in some way or the
it's
other.
very beautiful. And like you said earlier when we began, you were sharing about how much you're putting your efforts into kind of giving best for your child, and you and your husband like both are into it. Just had an example in my mind that I went to one school जहाँ पे बच्चे खुद की shoelace बांधना सीख रहे हैं, या if they threw the bag, they were told to keep it where it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Like घर पे हम क्या बोलते हैं, like keep things at the thing at the right space. So when this was happening and I was seeing this contradiction, one is a very high end school wherein people are just throwing their stuff away, and then teacher is kind of lifting it and keeping it back, but you're not telling it to the student. Why? Because that's not how they'll send some nannies along to take care, but let our child be. Other side, I saw there was a different world where children were, no matter what background they were in, but they were taught to not be resilient or do their own things and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I just put forth this question that ultimately when we do these exercises with parents or talk about it, generally my question used to be that what do you want for your child? And the answer typically lands to happy and how independent रहे,
Independence
free
is
रहे.
important है, right?
Then the question comes when the child is young, जब ये सब सीखना होता है, तब we make them dependent on us, and then we are also expecting that they become independent when they're older.
Yeah.
So, but the child is not able to deal with all of that जब वो सही टाइम आता है, which is why a lot of theories and child development जो बात होती है कि कब बच्चा abstract thinking रखता है, कब logical reasoning आती है. When I have those information, these days we have information, we could fetch it, but these things really help us to know what to feed our children and when. Like there's a time for everything. So I can't expect a child to write legibly at the age of 2.5. फाइन मोटर्स डेवलप होंगे. तो राइटिंग के पहले कितने स्टेजेस हैं, रीडिंग के वो अगर इफ वी बिकम अवेयर, I think we'll be able to do justice to our children's learning journey than anything else.